Ogaden region in Ethiopia, a desolate land untouched by civilization. Here people roam with their livestock and separatist fighters patrol with their guns. A simmering conflict has turned the life of people in the region into a living hell. A siege by Ethiopian forces battling the rebels has turned Ogaden into a giant prison. Little gets in and out of this vast region.
I can say what happens here has never happened in any other place in the world, not even in Palestine or Darfur. People have been killed, women raped, and our property is stolen. Is it the same government that is supposed to protect us that is doing all this to us?
There is shortage of everything here. Clean drinking water is unheard of, and food is in short supply. Mariam Abdi lives with her orphans in this hut. She says it takes a lot of struggle to get food for her children. Civilians usually bear the brunt of the security operations carried out by Ethiopian forces. This is Ado village in the heart of Ogaden. Most of its houses have been razed. Though people are slowly returning to the village, they say they live in constant fear of the forces. Ethiopia denies all these claims of persecution in Ogaden. There are few schools in the entire region. Islamic schools, or duksi as they are called here, remain the only source of education for most children. The effect of lack of healthcare in Ogaden defies description. Abdi Solub lives in Ado village with his 9 children. 3 of them suffer a rare ailment. It is an illness that begins with the cheeks and lips getting reddish before developing into weakness in the joints. It finally results in a full paralysis. The lack of a remedy for these children's condition worries their mother.
There is no doctor here. The nearest hospital is in there, hundreds of kilometers away. Even if we manage to reach it, they give us expired medicines. I require urgent help.
But despite all their problems, the people of Ogaden remain a proud and defiant lot.
We are yet to fully deal with Ethiopia. If it poisons our livestock, we will fight it and expose it to the world.
Exposure is what Ogaden lacks most. For the moment, its people continue to suffer in silence, as they have done for as long as they can remember. Mohamed Ado, Al Jazeera.